Hi, I'm Baz. This is iSharpen, and today I've got something really different. Have you ever seen a self-assembled do-it-yourself knife kit? I haven't. And on Marketplace the other day, I was just browsing, as I do, and I came across this thing. It's very strange. Have a look. How weird is that? It's a knife kit. You build it yourself. I've never seen anything like it. Have you? So bring it over to the bench, we'll have a closer look, and then we'll go through some testing, some assembly, we'll have a look at the quality of it, and we're going to test it, see how it passes the paper test, see if we can improve it, maybe a few best tests, maybe even a Japanese knife sharpening edge if it needs it. We'll see. But if I can get this to perform pretty good. Oh, speaking of performance, it's made of SG2 steel, powdered steel. So it's a super steel. So all in all, it's got a lot of good things going for it. I didn't pay much. The guy was asking $100. I gave him 70. He was happy with that. And I've had a bit of a play with it, and I think we're in for some surprises. So come over to the bench, and let's put it together, have a look at the quality of the kit, and we'll go from there. I don't know what I'm going to do, but we'll take it step by step. Come over. So first we'll have a look at the box. It's so weird. It's made by a company, or it's branded as Zinpul. Now I've had a look online and there's a couple of knives on Amazon that are branded with Zinpul. But what's this? Some sort of a robot? It is a robot. It's a flying robot. Some sort of mech thing. On the side we have high hardness 61 plus. That's hard. Razor sharp, 10 degrees to 13. Wow. Strong and durable, yep. Japanese SG2 powder high-speed stainless steel. Replaceable handle. Don't know where you get another one. I've never seen this. I've done a lot of research. I've asked Robbo, ChatGPT, and he doesn't know anything about them. AM coating. Now that, I'll show you what that means. It's got a little sort of a titanium sort of colour to it. Easy to clean, ideal gift. And in fact it says enjoy your gift. Oh, on the back, for maximum, okay, washing, etc. Keep knives right, and it's got an email address. I have sent an email to that address, and QQ is a Chinese server. That long username is a bit sort of sus, but I haven't received a response yet. I only sent it yesterday. So let's have a look inside. So it comes with this cool graphic, and the first series should be, don't know. But yeah, have a look at this. It's very, very good. High quality. SG2 powder high-speed stainless steel. There's the brand Zinpul. The fit and finish looks good. We'll have a closer look at that sort. It's got the rivet screw sort of thing, the handles, an assembly driver. But have a look at this. I've pulled it apart and had a look, so we're not. Cardboard, but it comes with this cool purple, what is that? Is it just plastic, or is it what do they call it? Micarta? Don't know. So we'll just put that to the side, pull all these out, this side as well. Well packed. I can't even get that out. Crikeys. And the handle seems to be quite well put together. I love this finish. It's sort of a stony sort of machined, very well machined. My first idea was to put a wood insert here, maybe from this ebony. Do you know what I mean? But then, I don't know, there's nothing for it to hang on to. Plus, there's a little chamfer right at the top, see that? And so that's going to sort of be weird or catch food, you know, whatever. But very, very well made. I'm very happy with that. Screw holes, very good. The rivets are again very high quality. All right, no flash, nothing. The screw goes in beautifully. A little bit of give, not much. Look at that screw head slot. That's cool. It's not a full slot. It's like a machined slot. That's cool. We'll put that together in a minute. So just let me take that off. Here's the other one. We'll have a look at the blade next. So here's that titanium sort of finish. It's got like a brown sort of a tinge to it. The machining is ultra high quality. It's rounded, there's no sharp edges. It's just beautiful. I'll talk about this in a minute. I've got ideas for that. The edge looks nice and shiny. It's got a nice safety cap, but that's perfectly machined all the way to the end. Well, almost all the way to the end, but you know, good enough. So that's interesting. Let's put it together. All right, so it's very simple. Just make a sandwich. Oh, there's a D shape in the hole, which matches the D shape in the rivet. So you just put the plastic, then the handle, then the other plastic, and the other handle. Put a rivet in. Find the square. Where is it? Oh. Further back. There you go. And then sewing on this side, it goes through. Nice. Do the same on the back. Oh, I'll put that through here this side. Beautiful machine top. I like how it spins like that. Reminds me of machine turning on the old hot rod dashboards. Nice. Let's see if these slots line up, or whether we have OCD issues. We've got OCD issues. Oh well, never mind. But that's good and tight. And there it is. What do you think of that? The purple shows up beautifully everywhere on the back. This one's sporty one, mate. Oh, slip, cut. But look at that machining. It's so good. So good. Now this bit here bothers me because it kind of sticks into me there. So what I'm thinking, and I'm sure it's just what, for hanging up? Just so you can hang it up somewhere? Well, I'm not going to be hanging it up. So what I'm thinking, first mod, is grind that off. Just have it like a... I think that's a good idea. You let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's a good thing. Let's see how sharp it is. Straight out of the box. I swear I've not touched this at all. I haven't stropped it. I haven't done anything. Look at that. Straight in. Good glidage. Oh, let's give it a best test and see. What do you think it's going to be? Nice and slow. Oh, it already cut through. Okay. Because I'm looking through the viewfinder and it's a bit weird. So, let's zero that out. Pinch at the nose. 131. That's not bad. That's respectable. Let's try it again. We'll do 3 tests just to see where it's at. $122, even better. Take one more. $127. I wasn't even ready for that one. Let me just try that again. I want to make sure that you guys can see it as well as I can see what I'm doing. $120. That's pretty sharp. That is pretty sharp. Alright, so now let's see if we can improve that by stropping. Just a few strokes. On the back as well. I really like this finish on it. It's so good. How shiny is that? Where's Chili? There he is. Hey! Alright, let's get this stropping. $120 was the best. $138. All right. $132. 123 didn't seem to have improved it much. But SG2 is quite a hard steel, isn't it? So I'm guessing that that amount of stropping may not have touched it. Oh. 127, yeah, about the same. Wow. Wow. That is sharper than the sharpest thing on the top shelf. That's right. At the sharp shop. So there we have it. The Zimple SG2. Have a closer look. SG2 8-inch chef knife. Really, really interesting knife. So let me know in the comments below. Have you seen one before? Have you seen a kit like this before? Should I hit it with the Japanese knife or just leave it as it is? Sorry, the Japanese wheel, and polish that edge. It looks pretty polished to me. Should I grind this tip off, this base off, make it like that? I think that looks better. That looks like a daggy sort of tack on. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Thanks for watching.